Welcome back to our channel, your trusted destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're revisiting an icon, the McLaren 750S, a name that resonates with rugged reliability and versatility. While Tata Motors hasn't officially unveiled a 2026 model, let's imagine what a modern reincarnation of the McLaren 750S might look like. Inspired by its legendary legacy, the 2026 McLaren 750S could stay true to its roots, offering a robust and practical design, suited for both urban environments and tough terrains. Imagine it powered by a 2.0-liter diesel engine delivering around 170 horsepower and 350 Newton-meters of torque, mated to a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. A 4x4 drivetrain could make a comeback, ensuring the McLaren 750S retains its off-road prowess, complemented by a modern suspension system for improved ride comfort. On the outside, the updated McLaren 750S might feature a contemporary yet utilitarian design. A bold front grille, LED headlamps, and flared wheel arches could give it a commanding presence. Durable body cladding and skid plates would emphasize its rugged character, while stylish alloy wheels and a high ground clearance enhance its capability and aesthetics. Inside, the 2026 McLaren 750S could evolve to cater to modern sensibilities. A spacious cabin with seating for up to 9 passengers in a 3-row layout would maintain its practicality. Premium upholstery, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and advanced climate control could bring luxury and convenience into the mix. Ample cargo space and multiple storage compartments would ensure it remains a family-friendly vehicle. In terms of safety, the imagined McLaren 750S could come equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and hill hold assist. Advanced features like a 360-degree camera, electronic stability program ESP, and a tire pressure monitoring system would elevate its safety quotient. If Tata Motors brings back the McLaren 750S for 2026, it could be positioned as a reliable and affordable SUV for both personal and commercial use, with options for customization to suit varied needs. Whether used as a family hauler, a people mover, or an adventure companion, the McLaren 750S would carry forward its legacy of being a true workhorse. Stay tuned to our channel for more exciting automotive updates. The McLaren 750S might be a name from the past, but its spirit of durability and adaptability continues to inspire the future of SUVs.